Great, you decided to ask. Hey, thanks. We worked really hard to get you to this point. So let's roll up our sleeves and get to it. Let's start with new revenues beyond tax work, and then we'll go back to the tax prep afterwards. You, like any tax professionals, would like to meet new prospects every month all year round. And if you're duly licensed tax professional, you might also want to facilitate the conversation of tax clients to financial, estate planning, or even insurance clients. With all these services, everyone only has two choices: A, insource it, or B, outsource. We provide easy-to-use tools for both. If you want to insource, we have a great toolkit for the dual licensed accountant and a simple process. During a tax or accounting appointment, the process will, when properly applied, actually have clients ask you to give them a second opinion for those services. That's the needed component, right? If your tax and accounting clients looked up at you and said, "Hey, Frank, you're licensed for this financial stuff, right? Would you give us a second opinion on what our financial advisor may have done to us?" Then you're not selling services. You're saying, "Of course," to a client request. We know how to make that happen in a professional manner that you can be very comfortable repeating. Accountants that learn to apply the process then usually just need some coaching and a solid, reliable help desk when needed for financial services or estate planning questions. A help desk that isn't manned by well-meaning juniors that lack real-world industry knowledge, or manned by people who don't speak clear enough English. After all, time is money. I need to communicate quickly and precisely. If you want to outsource, we have a cloud community feature we call Advisor Link. We can match you to advisors all over the country that are using our cloud in another product, but have asked to be partnered with accountants who want them. They can share files with you on our secure cloud, and then you can use Skype, GoToMeeting, or whatever medium you prefer with you and your clients for face-to-face meetings. That way, you're not stuck with one advisor who only knows a little. Instead, you can bring experts for any type of case you have. And if they turn out to be not quite what you want, then you simply don't select them again, but we have 100 more right behind them. Most CPAs have found and built a great little team for themselves in a very short period of time. Some states demand accountants be licensed in some way to share revenue, but in many, about half, they do not. So revenue can be shared legally, ethically, with many advisors, with many specialties. Anyway, that's enough about that. What if you don't care about those revenues, at least not now, and you just want more tax and accounting clients to use more of you and your firm for those services? What can we do to improve your cross-selling? A quick list of a few, but by no means all, of the services we provide are as follows. If you want payroll or small business accounting, we can help your clients want to choose you. If you do already provide payroll and small business accounting, we have marketing systems to bring in new prospects and a great verbal process to get your clients to ask you for a second opinion to what they're already doing. If you would like to outsource that, we can also show you how to professionally and without losing a single client, outsource that book rather than keep it internally. Because of staffing, technology, E&O, and many other factors, and depending on the size of your business, you could certainly flourish in other areas if you could spend less time working on payroll or books or accounting yourself, except for maybe a small subset of your current client base. Whether you want that kind of business or you have that kind of business, but you need an outsourcing solution that's rock solid, we can help. Additionally, we have a great outsourced accounting service center, so you can say yes to accounting requests when you don't want the work, don't have the staff, or just don't enjoy doing it. With cloud-based systems like Accounting Suite, we have the process down to a science, and our back-office CPAs will make you look great. You mark up the monthly billable and deliver that work for a steady flow of monthly accounting income with little hassle or responsibility. Would you rather insource instead? We have a process manual and access to software that will tweak your process and add profit and value. These are just a few examples of what's in our cloud community. We can help you do it all. We're a nationally trusted source, and we've been in these industries for decades. We're not new, but we use the newest technologies. So look, we've taken a lot of your time, and we thank you very much. But what do we hope comes out of all of this? We want to demo our system for you. If you click our Request Demo link, we will set up a simple 30-minute demo. Set up a screen share, log into our cloud, and give you a guided tour. You'll see the different live workstations and the real revenue changing hands. Hey, we're proud of our cloud and we want to show it off. Let us help you see what elegant monetization looks like. Click below and we'll open your eyes to something you likely never imagined. Hey, thanks either way, and again, we appreciate your time.